Hey guys, welcome back to Crypt Talks. So today I'm going to tell you a way by which you can earn up to 25,000 rupees every single month. And the most interesting part is that you don't even have to work for earning this money. I repeat, you don't have to do anything. This is an automatic process, more like a passive income. So let's start right away. Wait. Before moving further, I would request you all to kindly subscribe to our channel so that we can bring more of such investment related videos for you all guys. Now, let's get to our today's topic. But before talking about money, let's understand the background of it. Most of you know how cryptocurrency works and how transactions get recorded in the blockchain. But if you are unaware of the same, then have a look at my video on cryptocurrency. After watching it, you will get to know every single thing about crypto market. You may see the link to the video in the I button up there. So when we do a transaction in cryptocurrency, it gets recorded in blockchain in the form of cryptography. But how does it get recorded? It gets recorded in the form of blockchain through the process of mining. Now this mining is not the same where you dig giant machines into the earth and then extract minerals. Crypto mining is basically a process wherein one uses a computer to solve a cryptographed equation to store them into the blockchain. But you don't have to do it yourself. This is a computer or software based extraction wherein you just have to run the program once and then mining process will continue on its own. Now you will think, where is the money part in it? So every miner gets rewarded for mining cryptocurrency. Like if a person is mining Bitcoin, then he will be rewarded with certain amount of Bitcoins when he verifies a transaction with mining. Now you have two options. Either you convert those Bitcoins into your currency by receiving them into your bank account, or you may use them as an investment. These both options have their own benefits and risks. But the amount of cryptocurrency you receive may differ in every crypto coin. Like maybe you get more amount of currency by mining a certain coin and less in another. And if you question that there must be so many people doing this, then I must tell you that at present there are approximately 4,000 different cryptocurrencies in the market and lakhs of transactions take place every single minute. So there's no point of this argument. Now whenever a transaction takes place, mining process is compulsory. Someone or the other is doing it obviously. So it is a continuous, or we can say it is a never ending process. So enough of basics. Now I will straight away tell you how to earn money without physically doing anything. So the things that you need for this are a computer or laptop, a good internet connection, and an uninterrupted electricity supply. Now mining can be done through your PC or laptop in two ways. One with the help of the CPU and the second with the help of the GPU, or you may call it a graphic card. But I will recommend you to always do mining through your graphic card, as CPU mining is very slow and is not profitable at all. Moreover, there is some or the other graphic card in every system, so you can do mining with that. Although with the basic graphic card the profit would not be much, but initially you can start with this, and then as you start earning profits, then you may add a good or fast graphic card like the Nvidia RTX 3060 or 3070 etc. You can add them later on. Now let's understand the process of mining by which you can start earning money. So firstly you have to go to the NiceHash website in your browser. Once you are there, then you will have to create an ID of yours on that website. This is a compulsory process as you cannot use it any further without signing up. Now once you are done with your sign up process, then a window will pop up which will ask you to download applications for mining. So there you will see certain application options to download. You have to download different applications as per its compatibility. Like there will be different applications for AMD CPU, different for Intel CPU, Nvidia, etc. Once the app is downloaded, you have to open it and it will show you a play and pause button. And from there, you are good to go. But keep in mind that when you enable this play and pause button, you will have to also enable all the third-party miners, or you may call it plugins, for mining, as each of them have different speed and returns. Whichever plugin will give you the maximum output, your application will use that plugin to mine that particular cryptocurrency. So now you are good to go. You just have to leave your PC running and it will earn you money on its own. On an average, you can earn up to 5 to 10,000 rupees by mining cryptocurrencies through your PC or laptop, depending upon the rate of reward and the price of the cryptocurrency you are mining. But if you use a fast graphic card, then you may even earn up to 20 to 25,000 rupees every month. Now let's understand how you can withdraw or transfer this money that is in the form of cryptocurrencies to your bank account. So for this, you will have to create an ID in a cryptocurrency exchange. You can also use it for investing money in cryptocurrencies. And if you want to know about this whole process of creating an account and investing money in cryptocurrencies, then please let me know. I'll make a detailed video on this topic. So back to our topic. After creating an ID on cryptocurrency exchange, you will have to generate a public address for whatever currency you have mined. Like if you have mined Bitcoin, then you have to create a Bitcoin public address of yours. This might look difficult, but trust me, these steps would not even take more than 5 minutes. After creating the public address, you have to go back to the NiceHash application where you have done your mining, and in there you have to click upon the withdraw tab. Then it will ask you to add a public address where you want to transfer or withdraw the earned bitcoins. Once you add your public address there and initiate the transaction, you will receive all those earned bitcoins into your cryptocurrency exchange account. And from there, you can easily withdraw the money by selling those bitcoins, just like we do in the stock market. I am again saying this, that this might look a bit difficult, but when you will do it practically, it would not even take more than 5 to 10 minutes. So we have discussed in detail about mining through your PC or laptop. Now I will tell you as to how you can convert it into a bigger setup for earning high profits. Now if you want to earn more than 25,000 rupees every single month from mining, then the best way to do is to create a mining rig. A mining rig looks like this. In this, you don't have to do mining through your PC, as it is not practically possible to run your PC 24/7 for mining only. So the other option is creating a mining rig wherein you just have to invest a bit of your money and then just leave it. There are so many miners who do this. Once you have made a setup, just start the mining process and then leave it alone. I know many people who have designated rooms in their houses where their mining setup is kept. They go inside that room every 2 to 3 days and not more than that, and that too just for checking whether everything is working fine or not. Rest all is automatic. Now let us know what a mining rig consists of. So it includes graphic cards for mining cryptocurrency, a processing unit to run the system, and power cables for the electricity, and you are good to go then. Creating a mining rig might be a difficult process for some, but with proper guidance, you can do it very easily. There are so many miners on the YouTube platform who will teach you how to create a mining rig from the basics itself. And for earning 25,000 rupees, you might need a setup of around 90,000 to 1 lakh rupees. I know it's huge for many, but you see, it's a one-time investment and thereafter it's all profits. Your investment would be recovered easily in only 4 to 5 months. Now many people would argue that in mining the graphic card is used at its maximum capacity, so its life will be very short. I am telling you, there are people who are earning even 3 to 5 lakh rupees through mining. You just have to tune the graphic card properly. Like if its temperature is not exceeding 50 to 60 degrees, then it can easily work for years. Likewise, you have to keep the working and fan speed at 80 to 85% to get the best results, as well as the maximum life of the GPU. And all of it is called small scale mining. At industrial level, there are companies running mining farms which collectively verify 60 to 70% of the total crypto transactions taking place in the whole world. Yes, it is true. Their investments are more than hundreds of crores and monthly revenue of about 10 to 20 crores. So, what we are talking about is just a tiny piece of it. So, here are the 4 things that you should keep in mind before starting mining. Number 1, this system should run 24/7. To actually earn profits, you will have to keep your system working 24/7. I know many would say that it will harm their PC or laptop if they do with it. But practically, I have seen so many miners who work on their PCs and they are doing very well. However, I would recommend you to use mining rigs or setups. Number 2, that it consumes huge amount of electricity. So many miners use solar panels for their mining so as to minimize their costs and maximize their profits. But solar panel cannot be the option for everyone, as a solar panel itself is very much costly and may decrease your cost only in the long run. The other factor is that it's not environmental friendly. Recently, a news came up which stated that El Salvador is planning to start using geothermal energy for mining in their country. So, it's a great initiative to protect the nature. Number 3, the GPU should be optimized. Before starting mining, one should first optimize his graphic card to get the best results, yet not harming the GPU or the other parts of the system. Like the fan speed should be kept at 70 to 80% and the working should be kept around 85%. This would increase the life of the GPU and shall also help in its smooth function. Now the last, number 4, the temperature. The temperature of the unit should be around 50 to 60 degrees for getting the best results. Once it gets more than that, it might harm your PC or the other gadgets in that. For this, some people keep the fan running at all times. Some even keep portable fans in front of the CPU of the mining rig so as to control the temperature. So, if you will keep in mind these points, then you will be able to get the maximum amount of profits from mining and with minimum costs. Now, many people would say that you are asking us to buy fast GPUs and all of that to do mining, but nobody knows what this market holds in the future and whether even it would be actually a success or not. So, mark my words, cryptocurrency is never going to end. This is just the starting of an era. You see, when stock market was at its initial stage, majority of the people used to argue that this is just a form of betting, or some even call it a satta bazaar. But as the market grew and more people started understanding the concepts of stock market, it became a hit. And at present, a vast majority of people are investing their money in the stock market rather than just opening FDs or investing in gold or in other less profitable goods. Likewise, crypto is at its initial growth stage right now, and from here everything is going to be upwards. This is a long journey, and the people who have stepped into it right away will reap the fruits later on. Recently, El Salvador has recognized cryptocurrency as a legal tender, which means people there can use it for doing their day-to-day transactions as they do with their physical currency. And I am sure that slowly all countries will start recognizing cryptocurrency. Even India is planning to make regulations for this market. And I am of the personal view that this market is going to see huge upshifts, and there's no point of it getting banned from here onwards. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. From now on, You will get so many interesting videos related to cryptos, stocks, and other investments regularly. So stay tuned to our channel and hit the subscribe button if you haven't done it till now. Thank you very much.